Hi guys, this is Karen. Welcome to another video and another Hi guys, this is Karen. Welcome to another video, another Iherb haul. I have a humongous package from Iherb. It's so heavy. When the guy at the store gave it to me, I thought that wasn't for me. This is so huge. I think everything here that is heavy is just one product that I bought multiples of, and that's why it's so heavy. But I haven't opened it. You can see we're going to open it together. So let's just see what I got. It's an unboxing haul kind of thing. I like filming these. I haven't filmed them for a while. Then recently I just did one video and really enjoyed it, so we're here again. Now the box is half full, lots of paper, lots and lots of paper, more. I love throwing it away, and this is what we have in the box. Not a lot of things, but let's just start. What makes the box heavy are three of these. Can you see? No, you can't see anything. You can't even see me. Wait, where is the... Yeah, here it is. These I bought three. These are from Madeira Labs. Also clean hand soap, 3 times concentrated in the scent Freesia. It has 6 pouches. So each pouch is giving you 473 milliliters of hand soap. So you just take, let's just open one and I show you. You just take one pouch. This is how they look like. You take a pouch, you pour it into a bottle, you add 353 milliliters or 12 ounces of fluid ounces of water, and you shake it well and you have hand soap. So I really love using it, and it was really good price. So I bought 3. I mean, why not, right? If they're good price and I love using them, then why not buy 3? Okay, let's put it here on the floor because I don't know where to put it. So that's why the box was heavy, because now it's not so heavy. Let's just take everything out. It will be easier to take everything out and just... Wow, I got a lot of things. I didn't remember that I got so many things. Okay, now the box is empty. And now we can see what I bought. Okay, let's start with face cleansers, because I bought four face cleansers. Okay, this is a repeat. I already purchased this before twice. This is the third time me watching. This is the third time me buying this. This is from BWC, Beauty Without Cruelty. This is their facial cleanser, 3% AHA complex, 250 milliliters. I love it. I really enjoy using it. Again, if I bought it again, definitely I love it. If I wouldn't love it, I would not purchase it again. I like it. Comes with a pump. It's a very nice product. Love it. It's suitable for vegans and vegetarians, paraben free, pH balanced, soap free, and of course, from the name you know, it's cruelty free. So free, but it's not free. But I really like it, so definitely repeat. I bought it again. Now this is new. I never tried this before. This is from a company called California Aloe Vera, I guess. This is the name here. I never heard of this brand before. Oh, this is Korean brand, so this is why I never heard of it before. Soothing and Moisture Aloe Vera Cleansing Gel Cream, 150 milliliters. Again, this is the first time I'm buying this. I don't know if it's good or not. Of course, I'll try it. I'll let you know what I think about it. But I just ran out of most of my Face cleansers. I have only one and I didn't want to open it. I wanted to open something that I haven't tried, because the one that I have is a refill and I already know that I love it. So I really want to try something new, and hence I bought so many cleansing gels, creams. I usually double cleanse. I start with a cleansing balm or cleansing oil, and then I use a cleansing gel or a cleansing cream. This one is a facial cleanser. I don't know, this is not a gel. Yeah, this is a gel, yeah. And this one is a gel cream. I don't know what it means, gel cream, but we'll see. We'll find out. Okay, next up is another new brand. Oh no, I already bought from this brand. This is from Misha. I think this is also, yeah, it's also a Korean brand, because everything here is in Korean. Maybe you can see. Yeah, so this is from Misha. I think I already bought this one. I think it's a repeat. This is the Super Aqua 10 Hyaluronic Acid Foaming Cleanser. It has 10 hyaluronic acids, 200 milliliters. I think I already bought this in the past, so this is a repeat. I guess I enjoyed it. I'm not sure, because I bought it a long time ago, so I'm not really sure. I do know that I didn't hate it. If I would hate it, I would not repurchase. I remember the stuff that I hate and don't like. I remember these, but I'm pretty sure this is a good product. And the last one from the cleansing department is from Hamish. Now, I never bought from Hamish before. I think this is also made in Korea. Yeah, this is also a Korean brand. This is their all clean green foam pH balancing facial cleanser. Let's see how it looks like. Well, it looks the same as the outer packaging. This one is 150 grams. Now you're making it hard for me to compare. How much is 150 grams in milliliters? Because all the others are milliliters. I don't know. Okay, of course, never tried it. I will try it. I will let you know what I think about it. It says pH 5.5 foam cleanser to gently purify and hydrate the skin without causing irritation. Okay, I'll try it. I will let you know what I think. Now, this is quite random. All the others are makeup, so this is kind of random. This is from Dr. Tang. This is their toothbrush protection. Could you hear my stomach? I'm kind of hungry. Forgot to eat breakfast and it's already 11 in the morning. Okay, never mind. So this one is supposed to protect your toothbrush. Essential oil vapors permit your toothbrush bristles. Permit? What is permit? I don't know, but it's supposed to help and protect your toothbrushes, and you have a refill here. I'll try it, I'll let you know. But it looks good, but I don't know. Okay, I have 4 makeup products. 4. Okay. 2 are from Korean brands that I never tried before, and 2 are from Rimmel. I have these 2 from Rimmel. Let's just check them out. First of all is the clean. This is from the line called Kind and Free, as you can see here. This is their clean mascara, natural, with organic shea butter. Let's see what it says. Clean mascara, lengthening, volumizing and conditioning clean mascara. Clamp-free, water-resistant, smudge-proof, lasts up to 36 hours, 100% bio-based brush fibers. Who needs their mascara to last up to 36 hours? I don't know. Maybe if you're a flight attendant? I don't know. But this is what it says. Of course, I'll try it. I'll let you know. This is in the shade Brown Black 002. Okay, I don't know if I bought it intentionally brown black or I didn't pay attention to the shades. I wanted brown. Okay, next up, another one from the same Rimmel, Kind and Free. This is their tinted multi-stick. Wait, we're here. Tinted multi-stick. This one is in the shade 001 Caramel Dusk. Ooh. It doesn't have a scent to it, and this is a very nice shade. Well, if it's a multi-purpose, then I guess it's for the cheeks and lips. If so, if it's a nice color, I will like it. What do you think about the color? It's a combination of a pink and a coral. Okay, so far I like it. Of course I have to try it, let you know. And these two are Korean brands. Kind of went on a Korean theme here. This is the Ecosol Lip Oil by the Saem. Saem, is that how you pronounce it? I don't know. First time I'm buying from this brand. This is in the shade 02. It says, okay. Oh, 02 Berry. How to use. Okay, gently apply. Okay, let's just see how it looks like. We usually know how to use a lip oil. Oh, this is a nice color. Okay, let's see. Let's just hear this. Oh, it didn't make a sound. Oh, it has a very nice sweet scent to it. It has a very mild tint to it, not more than that. And what do I think about the consistency? Well, it's a bit sticky, but I don't know. I need to put it on my lips and find out. So this is it. And the last thing I bought is from Rome and Can you see here how it's Rome and? This is the Juicy Lasting Tint. Mine is in the shade 18, Malted Peach. Let's see how the malted peach looks like. Let's open it from the other side. Okay, first of all, the packaging is really nice. Looks very luxurious. And let's just open maybe. No, this one didn't have a scent to it, a sound to it either. This is the wand. It has a scent of something fruity. I don't know exactly what, but it has a scent of something fruity. This is here. This is it here. Also has a very nice shade. I'm proud of myself. It's very hard to pick on Iherb shades. I usually go to Google and look for swatches, but still it's harder than real life. So this is it. This is the Rome and this is the Saem, and this is the Rimmel blush or multi-stick blush and lip color. Okay, that's it. So 4 makeup, 4 cleansers, 3 soaps, and 1 toothbrush protector. Not bad. I really like everything I bought so far. Of course, I'll use them. I'll let you know what I think. But this is it. First of all, I just want to say that I do have affiliated code with Iherb. Like everyone else who buys on the Iherb app, everyone has a code. My code will be here, so you can use it if you want to save a few bucks. If you want to support my channel, then please do use it. It just helps me buy more Iherb products. But I will buy anyway. But it will be nice to know that you support my channel. So do use it if you want. This is a very nice dress. I really like it. It's a long one. Very comfortable. Very comfortable material, and really like the print. Okay, that's it. It's beside the point. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Now I have a very nice scent on my hand, so like this video if you enjoyed it. Use my code if you want. This is affiliated code. I do make a small commission, so if you want, then just use it. And what did I forget to say? Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already. Join my family here on YouTube, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.